Hey there, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects and real home product reviews. I am a cheapskate handyman wannabe trying to save y'all time and money out there. In this video, we're going to be trying to solve the problem, answering the question, can my vehicle, specifically a minivan, pull a U-Haul? This is what we recently did. We hooked this baby up and hauled it cross-country. So join me. The first thing you're going to need is an adequate ball and hitch. I will put links in the description below. We are looking at a Toyota Sienna. Of course, you're going to really want to check. There's a 4-pin wire harness there. You're going to want to check your instruction manual for your vehicle to make sure you do not exceed the towing capacity. Also give U-Haul a call to make sure that you have all the proper equipment installed and ready to rock. Here is my tow hitch, my ball, and my wire harness that you just saw. And you do have to be really careful to make sure those numbers meet the minimum specifications. So I rented a 4x8 trailer. Again, this is a Toyota Sienna. It's the all-wheel drive Sienna. And let me just give you a quick little tour. And by the way, if you're going to rent one of these, make sure you do a visual tour. We opted, by the way, to pay for the extra insurance because car insurance doesn't usually cover this, but check, of course, with your insurance provider. Now we're going to take a look inside. It does tell you to always front load this with 60% of the cargo's weight in the front. You can read right there, press pause, and of course 40% in the latter half, and it does give you a convenient little line. So we've got several hundred pounds worth of furniture, bikes, just kind of random stuff that we'll be hauling, a good 750 or so miles with this. So hopefully you can see kind of what this is like. You obviously do not want to exceed the maximum capacity. More weight may push your vehicle over its weight limit, and you could obviously deal with overheating or create other issues with your vehicle. So make sure you Google and research a little bit more, but here it is. This particular van is a 2015, and it is pulling the U-Haul loaded up with about, I would say, 800 pounds plus the trailer weight, making it about 1,600, certainly under 2,000 pounds, but pretty close to 2,000 pounds. We are reaching highway speed now. U-Haul, of course, recommends 55 miles per hour, so be really careful there. We're pushing it a little faster than that. I don't recommend going over 55, so please use caution. And at rest stops and gas stations, we do, of course, check to make sure everything is still hooked up, that the chains are not dragging, for example, that the wire harness is still plugged in. But just some different angles here for you of the kind of cross country. You can see there what my miles per gallon is. I'm somewhere averaging between, 17 and 21. It said 25 was the best, but that is not happening. We seem to average about 18, 19, 20, depending on the terrain, of course. But overall, it was a successful trip, and hopefully this video has been helpful for you. For more do-it-yourself projects and home product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.